What's up, you guys? So I've been through a lot of 3/8s before, and I've had a lot of people ask me to make a video tearing one down. So this one we've got right here, it was pulled out of a Firebird, of a 99 Firebird, and it was knocking pretty bad. The guy thought it was rod knock, and I'll insert a video of that, but we're gonna tear it down and see what was going on with it, and then we'll go ahead and build the motor after that. So here we go. All right, you guys, after a little bit of diagnosing and after I've got that top end apart, I ended up pulling off the oil pan, and I turned the motor over. Look what this looks like when you turn it over. We got 5 pistons that move and 1 that doesn't. So I went ahead and I pulled off the oil pan. Got some completely destroyed bearings in here, and I was guessing that it was going to be rod cap, and sure enough, that cap is totaled. Got a bunch of pieces of it in here. So looked up here, and looks like that journal's pretty toast. So the rod is just chilling up right there. Let's get that puppy out of there. See what it looks like up top. Yep, look at that. That's pretty cooked. The pistons, the skirt's cracked. I wonder what started the issue. Yeah, so the skirt's cracked, the rod's all bent up now. Looks like that rod is really bent. Holy moly. I'm surprised that wrist pin and piston held up as good as they did. Looks like, yep, our block is toast. Well, that sucks. I was hoping I could use this block. Well, on to the next 3/8, I guess. All right, so here's how we're sitting now. So looks like this this motor is gonna be toast. That rod is completely cooked, and inside that cylinder, the block is completely toast. So at least now we got a set of heads that I can port and polish, and I'll use those on my motor for my Camaro, since those had the piston explode in one of the cylinders. So that's going to be, I'm sure, a catastrophic failure to the heads. So at least we got that going for us. But other than that, I guess this motor's going in the trash. I'll get you guys another video. Next will be about the Camaro. I'll get that torn down pretty quick here, and we'll get another video out.